Okay, we're at the PC. We've connected the cable USB-C with a CH340 adapter. I'll put the link in for the cable, but it's the same one that you'll be using on your 880 or your UV98. Go to the bottom of the link I provide and you'll see Rt6D, and just click here where it says programming software and then run that. And when it opens, you'll see that. Just double click it in the usual way. Run it until it opens. More info. Run. So it's very, very similar to the Rt4D software, and you have got the address book, which is great because it means you can import that 200,000 CSV file just here. Really import. Haven't downloaded it yet, but anyway, let's just go to some of the settings. Image there. I could try one. Let's see if I can do it. We'll just go import. Go to where my images are. See if it will just do one from before. Probably not. Oh, let's just try it. Well, it has says yes. And is it giving us a size? Not really. Can't see a size. But anyway, it wrote. We'll find out when it... No, 52. Reboots. And not really seeing R2D2 there, are you? Might have to tell it to show it, but it did. You know the process. And if we go to config, and it says here, we look for the where it says boot up, and if it says logo or voltage. So just looking at some of the obvious. So these are all the settings, or a large part of the settings. Range B mode is frequency mode, channel mode, or zone mode. So I'm going to put one into zone mode. I think I'll leave one into frequency mode. Don't think I have to change much on this one. LCD brightness. No, let's do config 2. Config 2 is your tones, mic gain, DAC gain, Roger beep, squelch level, 8, yeah, DTMF, which is off. I'll leave it off for the moment. Right, and then there's your key, which is your buttons. So yeah, I'm just going to select a range of buttons like so. And we haven't actually read from the radio yet, have we? Let's read it. Come on, let's just read from the radio. That's worked straight away. Give that a sec. Radio, because then we might get our DMR number in that I put in earlier, which I would say goes just here. Okay, it's red. What's in there? Let's go to channel. Nothing. So let's put one in. Let's put my hotspot in first. Select the frequency. 431.550. Choose digital. Let's do the power low. Channel alias. Let's call it hotspot, which is on at the moment. And then at the bottom here, let's add a contact. So we want contact, say 91, and it will be group. So we've gone to, at the top tab, it says contacts. Then we go here, we're going to go group call, and we've got to go, the name first is WW, and then just call it 91 worldwide. And we can add another one, group call it chat, which is 2350. Actually, a 9 is quite a good one to add. Group call 9. The reason 9's good is because it's not actually connecting you to any talk group. It's a connection to your hotspot or your repeater, and it lets you control the hotspot and repeater to choose a different talk group. It's like a link. Anyway, got that. We want that. Go back to the channel, and didn't I put my 431.550 for transmit digital? What we put the name in? WW. Right, hotspot. Actually, no, it's not hot WW, it's hotspot. So that's just my hotspot. We need to select the fact that it's digital. Yeah, we need to select that it's worldwide. Talk group list. I do want to put it in a list. So let's go to group list. And we're going to add, I'm going to put everything in number 1. Click add, add, add. See that? So you've selected RX group list here, and I've just clicked all of these. These are the middle ones, all your channels that you have added. And I push them into the members, contacts we've done, back to channel. So now I'm going to put them all into list 1. And forget encryption, channel ID. So dual slot off, I think that's right. DMR slot is, I'm going to do 2 and color code 1, because most hotspots are that. Promiscuous mode, I'm going to turn it on. Now radio ID, we need to get that in there. So let's go back. Device, radio, oh, there's the personal ID there. The radio name, I can just put it, that can be anything really, but I'm going to put M0FXB. Personal ID, that's in there. Back to channel. Radio ID. Hopefully that will do it then, that'll work. Look, you've got import OP77 there. That's interesting. So let's just write that to the radio. Let's get something in there. Like so. See if that makes the DMR come to life. Right, it has come to life. I had to select channel. Now it's not got the talk groups in there yet, but I had to just go to the A band with the AB and then select channel 1. You can see in TinySA in there hotspot, and it still says channel 1 here, but in TinySA it says hotspot, and it was receiving just then. Let's try and add the CSV file. I've pinched it from here in the files section. Let's go files, and then it's there, the CSV. And let's go back to the program. Go address book. Import. Please confirm that the contacts have been written or imported. Before importing the channel file, please confirm that the contacts have been written or imported. Okay. I'm just gonna wing it. Address for address book, and then we're gonna go import downloads. I'll try this file. Something's happening. Now this is going to take a while, I'm guessing. The size of it. And then I'm just going to hit write. Let it do its thing. You can see that. We'll leave it for a while. Let's go back to the software. See if I can keep tinkering. Well, it looks like that's going to take ages. Wanted to show you how to add some more channels, really. I have to wait a while then. I'm also going to go to radioid.net that you can see here. Go to the data dumps, okay? Just here, database, then data dumps. And I'm not sure, but I'm going to try see if this file works on it as well, because that's the most recent file. It's just loaded now. I'll put that link in. For this window, for this video, I've opened a new window. Let's see if it goes in. Address book, import, and then the one I just did, it works. Yeah, I mean the figure it's saying is slightly different, but that actually did go in. Close that down. Let me go back to channels. Now it's the blank one. It's going to show you how to just add your normal analog repeater now. So if we go say 145.600, that's GB3WR. Change the 6 to a 1. That gives us our 600 shift, actually to a 0. This is how you do it with DMR. It's definitely different than doing a normal analog ham radio. Set your power, your channel name, GB3WR, and literally that is it. And then down here you select your tone. I think that's all you need to set, yeah. And that's a normal channel. So when you select, you get the chance to select digital analog. Let's try airband. I'm not sure about that yet. 0. Yeah, it's gone in. That's good to know. And then say 430.9225. And that was obviously going to go 446. No, 462. That's GMRS. 446. That's PMR. Let's do, so I don't think it will do 70. Oh, it's gone in. And 50. Whether it goes to the radio is another matter. 50 megs, 70 megs. Oh, interesting that it goes in the software. Let's go to the extended menu at the end. This is where we'll do a complete separate video setting this up. You've got GPS here and the baud rate. And APRS settings. Turn it on. It actually still says on here. Really, by default, they want that off, really. And then your wide 1, wide 2, your core, your SSID. So you show up on APRS FI. So I think that's all good. I'm quite happy with that. I think that's enough for this video. It's more of an unbox and an overview and get the thing working. It did start receiving on DMR, and more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.